3 bids. Different formats. No clear winner. That's the old way. Here's the new way. Today, we are breaking down exactly how AI is transforming vendor selection for property managers, from free tools you can use right now to purpose-built platforms for scaling operators. Here is the painful reality of how vendor selection works today. A maintenance request comes in. You reach out to 3 vendors. You wait days for responses. Quotes arrive in completely different formats. You manually piece them together, make your best guess, and hope you pick the right one. At scale, across dozens of properties, this process is a full-time job on its own. And every inconsistent decision costs you money. Industry estimates put the time property managers spend on vendor coordination at roughly 40% of their total work week. That is almost half your time on a process AI can dramatically compress. Let's walk through 4 AI solutions, starting with something you can use for free right now. Let's start with the easiest entry point, ChatGPT. No new software, no subscription required beyond the free tier. You manage a 50-unit apartment complex in Austin. You have received 3 HVAC maintenance bids, and they are all formatted differently. You paste them into ChatGPT with a simple prompt, asking it to compare by price, scope, warranty, and response time, then rank them. Within seconds, you have a clear ranked recommendation with reasoning. ChatGPT even flags missing information in each bid, like a vendor who didn't specify warranty terms. This alone can save you an hour of back and forth per work order. If you're managing a mid-size or larger portfolio, AppFolio's smart maintenance feature takes this a step further. Instead of you triaging every incoming request, the platform automatically assigns urgency levels and routes work orders to your preferred vendors based on issue type, location, and availability. A 300-unit multifamily operator can have emergency HVAC calls dispatched to their preferred contractor automatically, while routine plumbing issues go to a more cost-effective vendor. No manual routing decision required. And the system tracks vendor performance over time, giving you real data for every future procurement call. The operational impact for a portfolio running AppFolio's smart maintenance is significant. Faster dispatch, fewer missed urgencies, and better vendor accountability on every job. Buildium is the most widely recommended property management platform on the market, and its AI tools are built for exactly this workflow. Picture a property manager overseeing a portfolio of single-family homes across a suburban market. When a tenant submits a repair request, Buildium pulls up qualified vendors from your database, surfaces their prior job history and costs, and helps you dispatch the right one fast. Over time, you build a clear data-backed picture of which vendors consistently deliver the best results at the best price. The AI communication tools also help you draft vendor requests and summarize maintenance logs in a fraction of the time. Now let's look at what purpose-built AI vendor intelligence looks like for operators managing at scale. For regional property management companies overseeing 20 or more communities, Revise is the most purpose-built solution on the market. It acts as a single source of truth for your entire vendor network. You can standardize vendor contracts, track certificate of insurance compliance, monitor spending across properties, and immediately spot where you're overpaying for the same services in different markets. For a company managing thousands of vendor relationships, Revise brings the kind of operational clarity that spreadsheets and email chains simply cannot deliver. Revise specifically solves 4 problems that grow more painful the larger your portfolio gets: fragmented contracts, lapsed insurance certificates, inconsistent vendor pricing across markets, and no visibility into total vendor spending. For a growing multifamily operation, fixing these 4 things alone can recover meaningful dollars every quarter. Here is how these 4 solutions stack up by portfolio size and use case, so you can find the right fit for where you are right now. The math on AI vendor selection is straightforward. If you manage 50 units and each unit generates roughly 2 work orders per year, that is 100 vendor decisions annually. Shaving even 30 minutes off each decision with AI saves you 50 hours every year, time you can redirect toward leasing, acquisitions, or owner relations. Think of AI vendor selection as a progression you build over time. You start at the foundation with a free ChatGPT workflow to prove the concept. Then you move to a platform like AppFolio or Buildium that automates routing and tracking inside your existing stack. At the top of the pyramid, purpose-built tools like Revise give large operators full vendor intelligence across their entire portfolio. You don't have to jump to the top immediately. Start where you are and build up. The operators who win on vendor spend are not the ones with the lowest bids. They are the ones with the best data. Every property management operation is different. Your ideal AI vendor selection setup depends on your portfolio size, your current tools, and where you are losing the most time right now. That is exactly what a 15-minute AI audit is built to uncover. Book your free call, and we will map out the specific opportunities in your business, from your first ChatGPT prompt to a full vendor intelligence stack. And subscribe to catch our next deep dive on how AI is reshaping lease renewal and tenant communication for property managers.